Oh, hello.
Hello, Mr. Bernie.
Look at that. You're outside today.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Well, it's neat to see all three of you together. So,
Thank you, Mr. Bernie.
so tell me a little bit about where you are and what you wanted me to see.
Oh,
Actually, we are only half past 1 hours, and we have some friends that we know here.
Okay.
We have come to visit them at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m.
Okay.
And we are still here, so we say that let's get a lesson with Mr. Bernie together, and
Okay.
let's do it at the other school.
All right. So you are still on a break from school, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
That's very nice, isn't it? Okay. And do you go
Yeah,
back
it
to
is.
school on Monday?
Yes.
Oh,
It's
well.
our exam starts Monday.
Yes. Well, that's how Monday. Okay. That's a song in English. It's not a very happy song, but yeah.
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 All right. Yeah.
And how are you, Mr. Bernie?
I'm good. I'm good. I am back in Georgia, as you can see. My mother is doing pretty well. She's walking again and taking care of herself. And I actually leave to go back there in about a month. So, but next time it's me and my wife and our children and our grandchildren. We're all going back. So, okay.
Oh, okay.
Now your picture, okay. Oh, wow, what happened? There it is. Okay. I couldn't see you for a moment. So, tell me what you three have been doing. Besides, I know you're not going to school. But what else have you been doing?
Yeah. Actually, we read some books. We have done some of lessons, and we have played games and watched some movies together.
Uh-huh.
And we study for our exams.
Okay. Now,
In
I'll
2
bet.
weeks, I have 15 exams.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. But now probably Rezan and Berfin have a lot of exams, but Bauer doesn't, right?
Yeah. Bauer has 8 exams.
Because, oh, wow. Okay. Even in elementary school. Okay. Well, that's a lot of work. Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
can.
So, now tell me where you are. I see what you're doing, Bauer. He's putting bunny ears on you, Berfin. He's giving you bunny ears. So, okay. In English, we call it this, bunny ears.
I know.
Okay. All right. So, tell me now, you are outside.
Yes.
Okay. So are you out in the country? Are you in a rural place in the country?
No. We are in country. We are still in Ankara.
Okay. Okay. Because I see a lot of trees.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lots of trees.
Yeah.
Now, I have a lesson ready for Bauer. So should I go ahead and do Bauer's lesson, or should we just talk?
Oh.
If you can, we can do some lesson with my brother that from his lessons actually, because it's going to be
Okay.
perfect for him either.
Why don't we do this something just for fun then? Bauer, you and I have been reading about animals. Do you remember that?
Yes.
And last week, didn't we read, I think this is what we read last week, The Great White Shark.
Yes, great white shark.
Now today, why don't you choose? Do you want to read about mountain gorilla, Nile crocodile or cheetah? Which one would you like to read? Cheetah.
Cheetah. Yes.
I know cheetahs are very fast, so give me a second.
Yes.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Bird.
Okay.
Animals.
You can hear it?
Episode 4. Cheetah. Hi there. Who are you? I'm a cheetah. Cheetahs are a type of cat. We're the fastest land animal on Earth. Where do you live? We live in Africa. We live in open grasslands called savannas. You have lots of cool spots. Cheetahs are covered with black dots. They help us hide in the grass. What do you eat? Cheetahs mostly eat small animals like hares. But we also eat big animals like antelopes. How do cheetahs run so fast? Our legs are very powerful. We're also thin with small heads. Cheetahs probably always catch their prey. Nope. Cheetahs can only run for about a minute. Then we need to rest. How do you hunt then? Cheetahs can see very far. We spot our prey and sneak closer. Once we're close enough, we run fast. Huh, I see an antelope. Goodbye.
Oh, there he goes.
Goodbye, cheetah.
Bauer, do you see the words that I wrote in the chat? I wrote that. Can you hear
Yes.
me? Okay.
Yes,
I
Mr.
wrote that.
Bernie.
Oh, now you're upside down. Okay. A hare is a kind of rabbit.
Hello, Mr. Bernie.
Oh, there you are. You're going to play, huh? Okay. Is your brother going to play the instrument? The violin?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't we listen to the violin?
Yes, violin.
Okay.
It is lots of tree.
It is. It's very pretty. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Hello,
And
Mr.
for
Bernie.
you, the sun is going down, but for me, it is still day.
Yes.
I just had my lunch. I'm still having my coffee. I just ate lunch.
Yes. Coffee. It is cool.
Yep. Okay, is Rezan ready
Yeah.
to play?
No.
Okay, so okay,
Okay.
okay, I'm ready.
Up the cow.
Okay.
It is.
Oh no! Don't put your foot there. Don't step in
Yes.
that.
It is yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
Yes, yuck. That's right.
Yeah.
So there was a cow there, huh?
Lots of birds.
Okay.
This hill.
Oh, how nice. And this is part of Ankara? It looks like you're on a farm.
Yes, it is up the farm. It is cow farm.
Okay. So does this farm belong to your family?
I don't know. Maybe yes. It's maybe yes.
Okay. Well, that's nice. So Bauer, where are you walking to? Where are you going?
I'm going to farm.
Okay.
Cow farm.
Hey, look, Bauer, your shirt has red and white lines. My shirt
Yes.
has green and white lines.
Yes.
Yeah, our shirts are kind of the same, but different color.
Farm. It is there.
Okay. Whoops, your picture froze. Don't know if your picture's working right now. Whoops, it says you left the session. Okay, now I see you. I couldn't see you for a few minutes.
Oh, me too. It is beautiful.
It is. It is very beautiful.
It's their farm. It's there.
Okay. Okay.
Farm in cow.
Mm-hmm. So the farm has cows. Does the farm have
Yes.
chicken?
It is no. It's not
Okay.
chicken. Not. It is it is bad.
It smells bad, huh?
It is
Okay.
cow.
Oh, there it is.
There it's a cow.
Okay. Oops, Bauer, your picture froze again. Oh, you're in the barn. Ahir. 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 Okay, all right, now I can hear you.
Yes, it is. It is my favorite cow. My
Okay.
sister. Oh,
No, don't say that. Your sister's lovely. Oh, but I do see a cow in there.
Yes, it is my favorite cow.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Hello, cow. Is that right? Inek? Inek?
Hello.
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 Hello. Now, am I going to hear Rezan play the violin?
Yes. It is my brother.
Okay. And is that your car?
No, it's my uncle cow. Uncle,
Okay.
uncle. Yes.
Okay. Is Rezan going to play the violin now?
Yes. So a cow. Gösterdim.
You have a nice smile.
Yes. It is how it's nice. Nice animals.
Mm-hmm. Now, I saw the cow. Do you have any chickens on the farm?
No.
Do you know what a goat is?
No.
Yeah, goat is keçi. Keçi? Keçai?
Keçi.
Keçi? No goats? And do you have any sheep? Do you have any sheep? Koyun?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Koyun.
Koyun, sheep. Sheep, right. Okay. It is very beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, I think I hear Rezan. Am I hearing Rezan playing music? Okay,
No.
Rezan, and I want to hear it live.
Yes. It is so beautiful. It is one dog.
Okay. Oh, I see the dog. Hello, dog.
Little dog.
Uh-huh. All right. So Bauer, I am
Yes.
having some Pepsi.
Oh, it is
What
cool.
did you eat today?
I am eating today. I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
All right, little man. Okay. Oh, a tractor. Okay.
Yes.
Is that a tractor? Yeah. Oh, are you going to drive it?
Yes. I am driving it, and I drive it. It is a tractor, car, and ATV.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So you did a lot of driving.
Yes.
Good for you. Good for you. Okay.
It is.
All right.
It is. It is 3 ton.
Wow, it's big. It's big and it's heavy, isn't it? Do you know that word? Heavy, 3 tons, right. It is heavy. It is acil.
1 minute. Ağır.
Yeah, that's heavy. It's heavy.
Yes, it's
Okay.
heavy. It
All
is
right.
lots beautiful.
Okay. Bauer, why don't you let me talk to Berfin for a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
I haven't seen Berfin very much. Okay?
It is my sister.
There she is. Hey, Berfin.
Hi, Mr. Bernie.
Hey, Berfin, tell me a little bit about this farm. Is it your family's farm?
It's not my family's, but my father has friends, and he work like somewhere this. They have little chickens, the
Yeah.
baby of chickens. I can't remember now name, and some
Chicks.
cows.
Chick.
Chicks.
Yes.
They have chicks, and they have some cows. Like this, not. It's like a hobby.
Okay. Okay. It's very nice. And did your brother say it's an hour and a half from your house?
Yes. Actually, no. Like 2 hours.
Okay. Okay. So, and did you come there overnight? Did you stay overnight?
No, we go about 11 p.m.
So you're going home tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, you're driving home in the dark. Huh?
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah.
I love.
Yeah. Okay. And I know Wednesday was, and I don't know how to say it, Berfin, but the Feast of Sacrifice. Eid al-Atir.
Just a minute, I can't hear you. Now? Right?
Hey, Berfin, do you see that word I sent?
Just a minute. Yes.
That was Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Were you together? There it is in Arabic. Were you together with your family?
No. Yes. Yes.
So it was you and your brothers and your mother and your father. Was someone else there?
No.
No, just you
Just
5.
us. Yeah.
Okay. Now, Berfin, also, I wanted to ask you about your art show. I was very interested in seeing that, and I wonder, did you sell any of your artwork? Did anyone buy your
No.
artwork?
No.
Okay. And how many pieces did you have in the art show? You showed me 2 of them. Did you have more
Yeah.
than 2?
No. I made them in my art course, and they
Okay.
showed that these arts which we made at course.
Okay. So did you like people looking at your art, or did it make you a little nervous or a little scared? How did you feel about people looking at your art?
Actually, I didn't. I think they didn't see my art because
They didn't. Oh no.
my canvases are at top of the thing. Just can I write in Turkish?
Yes, yes, go ahead. Okay.
My art is top of that. For that, I don't think they will top of the easel. For that, I don't think they will see my art. And it's
I'm
small,
sorry.
35 by 25.
Hmm.
For that, I don't think they will see my art.
But you know what, Berfine? I understand what you're saying, but it was a start. At least you had some art in it, and now you've been in one art show, and someday maybe you'll do much more.
Maybe.
Maybe someday. So now, Berfine, do you think of art? I think we talked about this. Do you think of it as a hobby, a fun thing? Or do you think you want to be an artist or an art teacher someday? What do you think?
It's just a hobby for me.
Okay. Have you ever thought about being an art teacher? Like at a school or a university? Have you ever thought about that?
No, actually, because becoming teacher is very it's not good for me, because we have many teachers who can't work at schools. They can't find a job because we have lots of teachers. For that, I don't think.
You know, Berfine, I understand what you're saying. Here in the United States, it is just the opposite. They cannot find enough teachers
Oh,
because many people don't want to be teachers. The pay is not that good. And there are a lot of problems in our society. And so, like me, I retired. I want to be the teacher I am right now and see you and your brothers and other students on Cambly, but I don't want to be a regular teacher anymore. I'm finished.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
I see.
But I
Because
enjoy
it's hard.
Cambly very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you know, the thing that I like about Cambly, now today I have taught, you are my 6th class today.
Oh,
I have had children, I have had teenagers, and I've had 2 people who are in their 60s. So I
oh,
like that. I like working with children. I like the teenagers, but I like the older people too. It's fun to work with many different kinds of people.
yeah.
Now
And
today, go ahead.
you meet with people who are live in different countries like Japan, Thailand.
Yep. Yep. Now today, you are my first student from Turkey. All of my other students were in Taiwan and Japan this morning. I was in Taiwan and Japan this morning. And there's the little guy sneaking up behind you again with more bunny ears. All right. Does he like to bother you? Does Bauer like to bother you?
Yeah, my brother is on too.
Oh no, that's because you are the only sister. But remember, you're also the prettiest of the 3 and the most artistic of the 3.
Oh, thank you.
So you are beautiful and you're artistic, and that's a good thing. All right, so let me think. Is it 8:44 at your house
Yeah,
right now? So, and you're not leaving till 11?
I wish.
Okay.
We stay tonight, but tomorrow we go home. We have some
Okay.
guests, I guess,
Okay.
and we study for our exam.
Okay. Berfine, it's time for me to go, so I'm going to say goodbye. See you next week.
Goodbye,
It was
Mr.
nice to
Barney.
see the farm.